guys. It's day 12 of the honeymoon trip, and we have finally been hit by weather. We're in Utah, and we're gonna go down to Bryce Canyon just because. I'm not sure how much hiking or anything we're actually gonna be able to do. It's supposed to be in the 40s there. It's in the 50s here. Rain all day, 100% chance. But the Airstream we're staying in is pretty cool. That's pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm. T-shirt and shorts.
Yeah. It wouldn't be one of our vacations or trips without some crappy weather, though. Always happens. All right, next stop.
Okay.
We're just blowing through all these spots here in Bryce in the rain.
But we'll be able to go to Canyonlands and what was the other one I said? Arches, something.
Yeah, we're gonna hit. We found some other parks to hit on the way home, so we're gonna add some parks to our ride home. Since Bryce is kind of a wash today, we're gonna see it. Obviously, we're here seeing it, but the weather's not awesome. So we're gonna see all these spots. We're gonna stop at every single one, get out, get wet, look at them, and then we're gonna eat and go back and hang out in the Airstream for the rest of the day. I got boots, so I'll go this way. I wouldn't go with it. Yeah. We're underneath the rocks. We're basically in a cave. Lindsay wanted to hike today, so guess what? We hiked.
I got my way.
She got her way. Normally there's not water flowing down this, so it's not too bad though. Conditions aren't that awful. For people from Ohio, we're used to it.
There's another one of your pockets.
Yeah, the scenery here is pretty great. Batteries are dying fast because of. Want me to go? Yeah. Well, this is Colorado. Our only fancy stop in this state, probably.
That's all like slow snow.
I said that was a little bit too.
No, I didn't.
I did.
That's why I said
What state are we in now? Missouri? Listening to the Browns game. Packers already won a thriller. That was a whole situation that we don't have to talk about in the video. 5 missed field goals. It's just a mess. Lindsey drove for me, thankfully, during that. So, but now the Browns are playing and they're doing very well. And we're on our way to Casey's Pizza. I always hear people out this way talk about Casey's Pizza. She wanted to do In-N-Out Burger. That was her big one. Sucked. Never going back there. So hopefully Casey's Pizza is better than what we thought In-N-Out was going to be. Sorry for the In-N-Out fans, but your guys' burgers are awful.
fries.
The front, yeah. Burger, I guess, was okay. Fries were really bad. But you can get a better burger at McDonald's than In-N-Out. So I don't know what the range is there.
You know, the injury a year ago, they just haven't had a lot of work together.
What do you say, Linda?
Very good.
It's pretty good. For gas station pizza, it's really good.